My kids made this...
Do you want me to share a secret?
Please be quiet when I'm speaking.
Please stop walking past me all the time. I'm enjoying the view here.
Yeah, I'm sorry. So my kids made this awesome robot for me, and I'm going to make it talk using Arduino. I'm currently working on a big 3D printed project where I want to have a sensor that detects human movement, or the cat. And when it detects movement, I wanted to say pre-recorded things randomly. It's just for fun. So to make this project, I'm going to use an Arduino Nano, which is basically a microcontroller that I can upload some code to. Now, I've made Arduino projects before, but I'm not sure I have the skills to pull this project off. We'll see. Besides the Arduino Nano, I've used the following things. A breadboard with 400 pins, IR sensor for motion control, a DF player for playing the audio. This also has the input for the micro SD card, a mini speaker, 1K ohm resistor, and some cables for connecting everything. Everything I use will be listed down below in the description. I also designed a small little box and 3D printed it, and it's going to house all of the components except for the speaker and the IR sensor. Now, using the breadboard is not a permanent solution, but since this is just trying out for a bigger project, I'm just gonna leave it as is. On the website circuito.io, you can actually pull in the components that you have, and they will show you how to wire it up. So what I've done here is I've actually wired everything that as it looks on the page, and I'll have the wiring diagram linked down below as well. I have also soldered a 3.5mm output for the audio, and that's basically it. So I'm just gonna put it in the box right now, and hopefully we can go and start working on the code. So in short, connect your Arduino to your computer, download the software from arduino.cc and start up the program. Once that is done, you can set up the Arduino Nano and install some dependencies. In my case, that's the DF Player Mini-Fast. And this is the code that I managed to put together, and you can download it from my GitHub, and I would be more than grateful if you're having ideas on how to make it better. Once you have the code on your computer, you can upload it to your Arduino Nano. And now it's also time to insert the SD card into the computer and upload all of your MP3 files. I recorded some files myself, and I have uploaded them to the SD card in a folder called MP3, and all the files need to be named in the order of 0001 and 0002 and following that order. I'm just going to put the Arduino inside of the box and connect the IR sensor, and we'll see if it works. So this is the back of the robot the kids made me. I'm just going to attach these wires to the sensor in there, and then I can connect the speaker as well. I'm sorry you can't see what I'm doing here because I can hardly see myself. Now, the sensor needs at least 30 seconds to calibrate, I think. So I'm just gonna wait for 30 seconds until I can try it out. Now let's see if
you want me to share a secret?
It works.
I'm not in the mood right now.
Oh, you're not in the mood?
Please stop walking past me all the time. I'm enjoying the view here.
It's working. That's really cool.
Did you forget something?
No, I did not.
Do you think I'm pretty? What are you doing?
Now, as you can see, the robot is working, but there are some... Stop it. There are some issues with it. So one of the issues is that it's randomly playing the tracks on the SD card, and if I'm unlucky, it can play the same track more than once, or several times in a row. Another issue is that it can actually detect movement,
Don't take me for granted.
and it says something, but if I wave my hand right back again,
What are you doing?
it's got this kind of delay. So I'm not sure how to figure that out, but I'm going to try it. But as for now, it's really working. It's detecting movement and saying stuff, and it's really, really annoying. But it works, and my kids will be thrilled. I guess I just have to replace the audio files for Swedish because they don't speak English yet.
Hello.
Hi. I'm going to
I
try.
am not in the mood right now.
I think I might turn it off just for a second.
Hello.
So this was just a short project on trying to make this robot speak, and it actually works. So I'm pleased with that. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Are you messing with me?
No, I'm not messing with you.
Hello.